Wow, look at that. It's just caught a snake, this southern ground hornbill. It's just caught this little snake, still alive. It's going to kill it, and then it's going to have a nice meal. Look at that. This is just fantastic. I can't believe it. Very endangered bird in southern Africa, especially, not so much in East Africa. It's just dropped it. It's just dropped it. But it's still there, and it's still got it. It's still got it. It looks like it's died now, and it's going to probably eat that little snake. That is just so incredible. How amazing to see that.